Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset OrcaSlicer. So let's get straight into it. We will start with inside the app. So the quick reset. So if OrcaSlicer is still opening and running, you can reset your user data directly from the menu bar. So what you're going to do is open OrcaSlicer, then click on File at the very top left menu bar. Hover your mouse over log out. So you will see that if you sign in into your cloud account, then when you do that, you will go here next to it, and then you have here preferences. And what you're going to do here is find clear application data or reset all settings if available in your version. Now, if you can't do that, we can do the second method, which is deep reset, if you can. So what you will gonna do is you will close this OrcaSlicer entirely, and then you will use Windows R. It will open up this right here. And what you are going to do here is you will type in this and then app data, like so, and press enter. Now a folder window will open. Look for the folder name OrcaSlicer. So let's find it right here. If it is okay, right here. And what you can do is just simply delete folder. This will erase your custom profiles. So make sure you have backed them up if needed. And yeah, then when you delete this file, just normally start your OrcaSlicer program, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.